Hey guys, it's your girl Carrie, and today I will be sharing our private tour of the Imperial Suite. It is the most expensive suite at the Palazzo Versace Hotel, and I think the hotel staff saw how enthralled I was with this place that they offered to take me on a private tour. Now, this suite is rarely seen, and it has been reserved for those superstars like J-Lo, 50 Cent, wealthy businessmen, and political figures. But before we jump into the tour, if you have not seen parts 1 to 3 of our vacation in Dubai, where I share what we did, where we ate, and where we stayed, a tour of our suite, I will be sure to leave the playlist link in the description box below and also at the end of the video. So let's get started. There are two Imperial suites located on the 9th floor, one in the East Wing and one in the West Wing. As we step off the elevator, we immediately notice that the 9th floor's carpet is gold and black instead of purple. Going to let us, and this one is how much per night? This is
$98,000.
$98,000 per night. Whew. Cannot. Wow! And we thought we were doing it. OMG, this is what $98,000. Whoa! Wait, did you see the balcony? Okay guys, at this point I'm going to just insert some music because when my sister and I watched the raw footage for this video, she said, "Ew, why does it sound like you're making love to this suite? All that groaning and moaning and oohing and ahhing." But honestly guys, that suite would cause anyone to climax. Just look at the craftsmanship of that mosaic marble tiled floor to mimic a rug for under the dining room table. And look at these custom dining room chairs. It's actually made from the same fabric that's on the bed in our suite. They're just absolutely beautiful. And that table is stunning. And look at the family room. Just to get a sense of the scale of size, just imagine being able to put 5 full-size sofas in one room and still have ample space to move about. And that beautiful inlaid tile in the family room to mimic rugs is beautiful as well. Now you may be asking yourself, why would someone need that much space? 5 couches? Well, typically when you're a superstar or some sort of a political figure, you travel with an entourage or a team, so that way you'll have enough space for everyone to hang out and chill. And you don't just have one powder or guest bathroom, you have to have 2 powder rooms or guest bathrooms to accommodate your many guests. Next, we entered a room appropriately dubbed the chill room. I'm clocking ya, Versace shades watching ya. Yeah, leave a comment below if you know that old school rap. Tell me the artist and the name of the song from where those lyrics came from. What a beautiful bar area, and I am totally digging the crocodile embossed leather stools with the Versace head emblem on the back. So classy and beautiful.
Upstairs.
We're taking the private elevator upstairs. Look.
You have your own gym.
Oh, look at that. We're upstairs. You have your own gym and sauna. Oh, look. We're walking around. This is just the upstairs foyer in the Imperial suite. A full gym. Another bathroom.
And the sauna.
Oh, where's the sauna? And a sauna. Okay, babe, what do you have to do to get this room for me? 98,000. Wow.
What is this room?
This is the master bedroom.
Very pretty. Dressing there.
Oh my goodness. Oh, look at the vanity area. You have your whole glam squad. Yeah, so they can't. Oh my. Oh, look at the bathroom. This is magnificent. Oh, look at the view.
Feet.
What's down here? Oh, they have a double luggage rack.
I want to put my shoes off since I think this stuff.
Oh, look at the lamp. This is like the best hotel in the world.
This is the second suite, but it's in one. I don't know where I'm at.
This is the city room. Yeah. Look at the detail.
I thought it was different. Yeah, you guys did on the house.
TV.
That's the second suite.
Little foyer. We are still in. Oh. Here's the second suite. Oh, the beautiful blue bed. This is just magnificent. Another vanity area. And another same style bathroom. So two, almost like two of the exact same suites. Thank you so much. Thank you. This has really put the cherry on the top of my trip. It's right here. Oh, their own private pool. Oh my goodness. I didn't see this before. Whew. I need 98,000 dirham. Oh, a retractable roof. What?
They have the cover for the pool, so you can't see. So
okay, there's the cover for the pool, so you can make it private. This is. And guys, that's the Imperial suite. Many of you asked me to do a planning a luxury vacation on a budget video, but budgets vary from person to person depending on their disposable income. Leave in the comments below your guess on how much you think my hubby and I spent for this week-long luxury vacation. Guess the total budget, which includes pre-trip costs, the actual trip costs, and post-trip costs. Pre-trip costs could include things like clothing, passport renewals, toiletries, babysitters. Post costs could be something like mailing and postage for souvenirs. Finally, also leave the budget range that you would like me to plan for a trip. And I will also leave a poll on my community tab of possible budget ranges, and the price range with the highest percentage will be the main focus. Be sure to check out the other videos in this series, and until next time, I'm going to keep calm and carry on. Bye guys.